Welcome, here I've got VERNEE M5 and I'm gonna show you how to take the series of pictures in the camera app at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard camera view. Now let's move to this button from the left at the bottom. When we tap here, we can open the advanced camera settings. We are in the general settings, so let's change them by using this settings bar and going here to the center to the photo settings. And here we have capture number option. When we tap here, we can decide how many shots we want to have at once, 40 or 99. And this is how to change this here. Now let me stay on 40. Let's go back to the camera, and to take the series of pictures, now we can just tap on the shutter a little bit longer. And as you can see, we have the countdown and we can take many pictures at the same time for 240. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.